this spirit spoon for this one.
A homemaker in the kitchen, pots clinking, cooking up love flavors, never shrinking. She adores her man, feeds him like a king. Her heart in the meals, that's where the magic's been. Her love on the stove, passion in every bite. Culinary queen, her love's cuisine, hearts intertwined in the dish is serene. Cooking up joy, happiness, fresh green, filling their souls and love supreme.
Well, I just picked a handful of dandelion flowers, and I'm gonna make a batch of cookies. So I have the flour in some cold water. Gonna let it soak for a little bit, just to get the bugs out of there if there's any bugs and everything else. And then we're gonna use this in the cookie mix, but I'm gonna make the cookie mix while this soaks. Alright guys, so this cookie here, I am making a oatmeal chocolate chip dandelion cookie. Usually I make brownies, or I mix it up. As long as I get my dandelion in, you know? So first off, I'm going to let you guys know that this is going to go in the oven today. I could do it in the air fryer, but I prefer to do it in the oven and get it done with. Don't have to do like double batches. It's a small batch because I just have a certain amount of those dandelions in hand. I just wanted to make a small batch today. So 1 cup of instant oatmeal, or not instant, yeah, quick oats. Quick oats oatmeal, 1 cup. See, my allergies are starting. This is going to help boost my immune. So this is going to help boost my immunity, guys. My allergies are acting up, and this helps me every year or so. We're going to put a little bit of sugar, so maybe about 1/4 cup of white sugar, or you could put stevia. I didn't put stevia in this one. Then we're going to put about 1/2 cup of white flour. Small batch. Actually, I should make a little bit bigger. We'll do 2 cups of oatmeal because, well, there's quite a few flowers there. We're going to need salt for this. Teaspoon of salt. Okay, so these I'm going to just put on a napkin for now, because they've been sitting there for a while in the water. So I make sure to look at the flowers before I put them, like pluck them and everything else, make sure there's no bugs on it. But you want to make sure by soaking it, right? So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, these are beautiful. These just came out like 2 days ago. So these dandelions are new dandelions. They just came out. Maybe about, this is like my 2nd day that I've seen them in the lawn. And yes, they're a part where Bella does not go, and she can't reach that part of the yard, so there's no poop, no pee, nothing like that. So we're gonna let that dry for a little minute. We're gonna put some chocolate chips. So let's put about that much in there. Yeah, let's put lots in there, right? Now, these cookies are not for everybody. Some people are highly allergic to dandelions. So you want to make sure you're not really allergic to these. The first day, let me tell you, your nose may leak a lot. You might have a little bit of the diarrhea, because it's going to purge your system of the, you know, purge you kind of a little bit. But you know what? For me, this is what I find. The first day, my nose is leaky. You know, it's leaking. Get a little bit of the diarrhea. But I'm good for a little while after that. Like, at least most of the summer when it comes to allergies. My allergies just kind of disappeared. So, this is an immune booster for me. So I'm going to take off the green because the green is a little bit bitter. You could keep it if you want. Actually, I'm going to keep a couple. I'm going to add that in there. Chop it up a little bit. But we got sugar in here, so, you know, just kind of keep a little bit of green on there. It doesn't matter. Some people are like, ew, you're eating flowers from your lawn. Yeah, it's very beneficial. It's packed with vitamin A, C, K. Minerals are iron, calcium, potassium, and antioxidants. It also fights inflammation and aging, rich in antioxidants, beta-carotene, polyphenols, which neutralize free radicals and lower inflammation linked to chronic disease. Detoxification and liver health. Dandelions protect the liver from stress and toxins and stimulates bile production to help digest fats. It will also reduce bloating. It's a natural diuretic. Its high potassium content helps your kidney flush out the excess water and salt and relieve the water retention. It's got a lot of medicinal effects and it's edible. So why not? Free food. Now I'm going to do this a couple times this summer. You know, I might actually make some and freeze them. So this way I could have this in the winter time as well because it is good. It's very high in vitamin C, right? If you like the greens, you like that little bit of, it's a little bit bitter, then fine. But if you don't, you could pluck it right off too. Okay. So now I'm going to stir that in, just like that. It's easier to do it with the dry stuff because then it kind of spreads out more. Because if you put it all with the wet stuff, it tends to clump. You know what I'm saying? So with the dry stuff, it's going to separate it a little bit better. See what I mean? It's spreading the petals a little bit better and drying up the flower a little bit. Now, if you don't have dandelions in your area, you're missing out. You're definitely missing out. But you want to pick it out where there's no pesticides. You know, you don't want it by the side of the road either because it picks up all that, you know, the stuff from the traffic and everything else, the gas and blah, 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 you know, the fumes. And so, yeah, you want a clean area where no dogs are peeing and no dogs and cats are peeing and pooping. A little bit more sugar. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla to that now. About a tablespoon of vanilla bean. This is the real vanilla bean. Mix that all in. Now we're going to put some butter. Butter. I'm going to put little chunks of it. So kind of, you know, mix it all in there. I'd say about 2 tablespoons in total, but you want to put it in little chunks, right? Just like that. So we're going to put the egg in. Get this stuff out of the way so it doesn't look so cluttered and dirty, and there we go. Let's give it some good vibes. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be great. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be great. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be great. It's going to be fabulous. Yes. Needs a little something. Let me see. Needs a little something. Just gonna put a little bit of milk in there because that oatmeal is soft. That oatmeal is dry. So I put a little bit of milk in there. It's gonna suck it right off, right? Suck it right up. It sucks mix it right up. Look at that. Some people don't even know that they could eat most of the stuff that's in their lawn. Like you could eat cloves. Cloves are also good to eat. You could put that in your salads. Eat like a salad. Same with the leaves from this. You could eat that as a salad. Actually, they sell it in grocery stores. And meanwhile, it's expensive in the grocery store, but yet it's right there on your face. In your lawn. In your lawn. Whatever. We're going to take a tablespoon at a time. Actually, 2 tablespoons at a time. Because, yeah. My hands are clean. I washed them, don't worry. I am like the clean freak when it comes to hands, okay? Then we're going to do the next one. So 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. Shape it. Flatten it a little bit. Get that flour in there. Just like that. And I'll keep doing that. And we're going to have some beautiful cookies for this week's dessert. So this is going to be my meds for the week. There, look at that. I don't know how many I'm going to get from this. I'm probably about 8, I'd say. Yeah, I'd say probably 8. Just going to mix it up a little bit better. Sherry's like, oh, that's so wonderful. I'll be baking those soon. Right, Sherry? If you got some in your lawn right now, you could start making the cookies, girl. You can do this pretty much with any cookie you want, you know. Any cookie recipe you want. You could even make the brownies. I made brownies last year. If you want to check out that video, it's out there. Just look up Natty Homemaker Dandelion brownies and you'll find it. That was a little small. I can make 2 small ones. Taste test time. There we go. That's one's for taste test time. Let's equal it out. Just a little guy, you know. Just to say we have a little guy to eat for a taste test. We can do it. Do it, do it, do it. Do it, do it. Yeah. Okay. That goes in the oven, guys, for I'd say 8 minutes. But I'll keep an eye on it because it's temperamental, that stupid stove. Sometimes she's cooking great and sometimes she's not. So we'll start with 8 minutes, but keep an eye. Daddy, a homemade home without you. Natty, a homemade home without you. You're the love. I don't know the words yet, but that's coming up soon, guys. That song. Jay's working on it. Alright, so they were in there for 12 minutes, but I got these little white chocolate little round things that I got at the bulk barn around Christmas time. Just gonna stick a couple on there to melt while it's still hot. So we're gonna put some white chocolate on top. 2 each should be good. These are good. So little things that you have in the cupboard, you know, you could just add to it. Like, you look in your cupboard, look in your baking stuff. Sometimes you have stuff left over, and it's just a little bit, you know, you just add it to your cookies, add it to your baking. Ooh, kind of push down on that. It's melting. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, look at that. 3 would be good. I'll just finish up this. Yeah, we're going to finish these up. Ooh, one's going to have none. Well, I guess the taste test ones are good. So everything else has 3 of those little white chocolates on top. Here we go. We're going to name this Oatmeal Chocolate Chip. Oatmeal Chocolate Chip White Chocolate Dandelion Cookies. Oatmeal Chocolate Chip White Chocolate Dandelion Cookies. So let it cool off, and we're going to put it on a plate and taste test. Taste test time. Get this lovely dandelion cookie. Oatmeal chocolate chip white chocolate dandelion cookie. Oh, it's good. You can see the petals. So the petals itself is a little bit sweet. Just a hint of sweetness. But the white chocolate on top just makes it even better. Turned out really good. Absolutely delicious, guys. It's soft. It's an oatmeal cookie, chocolate chip cookie, but really nice. So if you haven't tried dandelions before, this is what you could do with it. Try it out. Let me know if you try it. If you like it, let me know. I'd like to hear from you guys. So there we go. And that's my cookies for today. Ooh. Bye for now. I also made a double chocolate version of this. I added coconut, cocoa powder, and dark chocolate chips. Yum.